Nice one, cool dudes, and welcome to the final day of the Vectis Trail. Today I'm starting in Choral, which is spelled Shorwell, but it's pronounced Choral. I'm going back to Yarmouth to complete the 74-mile trail. Today's walk's 11.6 miles, should take me about 6 hours or so, and the weather is supposed to be nice and cool and sunny like this. And oh yes, it is a nice jumper, isn't it? Limited editions available on the website. They may be sold out by the time you see this. Anyway, let's not muck around. Let's get going. Good luck, everyone, especially me. Nice one. Choral was one of Queen Victoria's favourite places, and it's also the home of the Isle of Wight's first ever netball team. And that is the best fact of this whole series. Back over there, St Catherine's Oratory from the last walk, and over there at sea is the Condor Clipper on its way to Guernsey. The views are great, cool dudes, but there is pretty much no discernible path here. Luckily I've got it on my tracking app and on my watch, otherwise I would definitely get lost. Embarrassingly, 5 seconds later I found the path. Rotten tomatoes and silage. Smells absolutely gross. London is 80 miles away from here. Guernsey, where the boat is going, 93 miles that way. The views are excellent, cool dudes, but it's pretty windy. Now heading into Brightsone Forest, which is slightly bigger than Parkhurst Forest. The smell is wonderfully autumnal. In the last episode, I talked about scary kids' TV programmes, and a really cool dude recommended Children of the Stones, the 1977 children's television programme, which I hadn't seen before. And it's on YouTube, and now it's become instantly one of my favourite TV programmes ever. And the music is, well, legendary. And that brings me on to the question of the day. What was your favourite theme tune on a television programme? Children of the Stones is excellent. Other ones I really like are Magnum P.I., Knight Rider, Rhubarb and Custard, but my favourite of all time is probably The Equalizer. Please write your favourite TV theme tunes below. Nice one. And the reason for this slight detour in the route, called dudes, is we're going to Winkle Street. That's right, Winkle Street. Supposed to be one of the most picturesque villages on the island, so I'm very much looking forward to it. I knew it, a field of cows. But they're running off over there. Hopefully they won't notice me. They all look quite lively as well, look. The farmer's there. Good. That is the result. I'm so pleased the farmer came to feed those cows just as I was walking through, because that is my least favourite thing. An open field full of cows where you've got to walk right through the middle, and they think you're coming to feed them. The detour to Winkle Street led to a lot of steep hill walking. Sometimes you're too sweaty to want to film yourself. Yeah, it's disgusting. Oh, you can talk sunglasses, Merrick. that is pretty much it for all the hill walking for today. Hallelujah. Good spot for lunch, don't you think, cool dudes? Yes, me too. Lunch, ham mustard rolls, soaring banana slice, raisin munch bar, whole grain sweet chili crisps and strawberry laces. Nice one. As we enter the post-lunch lull, cool dudes, it's time for the final part of the Freedom of the Isle of Wight challenge. Are you still in it? If so, this is a deciding day. Guess what? The island has been attacked by an evil mage called Moron. It is covered in darkness. The only way to defeat him is to raise the flag of the Isle of Wight. But you can't see anything. Just fiddling around in the darkness, do you choose flag A, B or C? Choose wisely, cool dudes. The flags are raised. A bolt of lightning suddenly reveals them to Moron. If you chose flag A or C, oh no, they're the wrong flags. The Isle of Wight is condemned to darkness and lost to the powers of evil forever. But if you chose flag B, congratulations! You chose the Isle of Wight flag. The sun has come from behind the clouds. You've defeated Moron and you've got the freedom of the Isle of Wight. Oh, what a fantastic challenge. Well done if you completed it. Please write below how you got on. Nice one. What was I talking about? There is another climb. What an idiot. Yeah, you said it, Normal Marek. When will you ever leave me alone? I don't know if farmers get money for having public footpaths across their land. I don't think they do, but I think they should. And there should be a scheme where the best footpaths are awarded. Talking of footpaths, this is supposed to be a footpath across there. As we approach the end of the trail, it's time to sum it up. Would I recommend the Vectis Trail? Well, there are some brilliant bits on the trail. I've enjoyed Limerstone Down. I like seeing the long stone and the views on the second day. I've very much enjoyed Gatcombe Church and the story of the time travelling lady and the knight there. Day 4 was rubbish. The pepper pot on day 5 was incredible. And today's been a very nice walk. What I would recommend doing is probably just going on a series of short walks around the best bits of the island. Maybe I'll draw a map here where I think all the most beautiful walks are on the Isle of Wight. Yes, thank you to Barbara and Iris for plotting the route and the Ramblers. I have enjoyed it. Some bits are great, some bits not so great. God, that went on a bit. I haven't enjoyed the bits that you're in, sunglasses, Marek. Some glorious pines to finish with. One of the things that I like to see at some point in my life is a giant redwood. That is one of my ambitions. Nice one, cool dudes. That is it. The Vectis Trail complete. 74 miles of non-stop excitement. Today's walk was just over 12 miles, took me 5 hours 48 minutes. A pretty good walk actually, one of the better ones. I did enjoy the Vectis Trail, and what else am I going to say? Oh yes, if you want to help me make more walks, why not join the club on YouTube? There's 4 different tiers to choose from, or buy some merchandise from the website. Thank you so much to everyone who's helped me. I really appreciate it. It does really help me out. Right, the prize draw for members is coming up next. I hope you completed the Isle of Wight challenge and won the Freedom of the Isle of Wight. That is it. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool. All right, see you later. A fantastic trip, and yes, a fantastic t-shirt. That painting is this, the Winkle Street view, now available to bid for on eBay for a starting price of £14, 14 pence. I meant to say when I was talking about the favourite theme tunes, I once was in a short made by a man called Dermot Canterbury, which was a shot-for-shot real-life remake of Ulysses 31. I'll put the link to it up here. It is excellent. Well done, Dermot. Other news is that I'm making a zine, and some of these pictures, if you don't win the eBay thing, will feature in the Isle of Wight walk zine. Hopefully it'll be out in 2 or 3 weeks in time for Christmas. Right, was there anything else that I needed to say? I can't remember. It's time for the prize draw. This time it is strawberry laces, stickers, notebook, spotter's handbook and badges. Pretty cool, right? Currently there are 902 members on the website and 261 members on YouTube, making a total of 1,163 draw entries. Random number generator, just please generate me a number. Generate 1,019, which means it's the 117th person to join on YouTube, who is Ali Buchan. I hope I said your name correctly. Email me at callerswalkingclub@gmail.com and I can send you that cool stuff. Nice one. Thank you very much for everyone to everyone who's enjoyed the videos and liked and subscribed and joined on YouTube or bought merchandise or whatever. Alright, that's it. Come on, just say goodbye. Okay, see you later. Oh yeah, stay cool.